Hello, our student of Prep 1. Today we will continue the definition of the molecule and we are going to study the properties of the molecule. As we know that the molecule is the smallest building unit of matter which can exist freely and it has the properties of any matter. Today we are going to study these properties of molecules. First, the molecule of matter are in a state of continuous motion. So, if I add a small amount of potassium permanganate to amount of water, what will we observe? We will observe that the color of water it changes into violet color, as you see. Why? Because the molecules of any matter are in a state of a continuous motion. The molecules of potassium permanganate are dissociated into small particles which are in a continuous motion and it spreads all over the water and the water color changes into violet. So, the first property of the molecule that the molecule of any matter are in a state of continuous motion. Let's study second property of the molecule. Second property of the molecule, there are intermolecular spaces among the molecules of matter. When you put a tablecloth in the water, it will disappear. We will observe that it will disappear. Why? Because the molecules of salt spreads among the molecules of water or among the intermolecular spaces among the molecules of water. So, we can conclude that there are intermolecular spaces among the molecules of matter. Similarly, if we add 200 cubic centimeter of water to 300 of cubic centimeter of alcohol, the mixture will be less than 500 cubic centimeter due to the presence of intermolecular spaces. Very good. There are intermolecular spaces among the molecules of matter. What's meant by intermolecular spaces? Intermolecular spaces is the spaces that are found among the molecules of matter. We will study the third property of the molecule. Before talking about the third property of the molecule, try to break a piece of iron. It is easy or it is difficult? It is difficult. Very good. And try to divide water. Try to divide an amount of water into portions. It is easy or it is difficult? It is easy. Very good. Why? Because the intermolecular forces among the molecules of solid substance is very hard. It's very strong. It's very hard. But the molecules or the intermolecular forces among the molecules of the liquid state is weak. So we can differentiate between intermolecular forces among solids and liquids and gases. The intermolecular forces among solids is very strong. Intermolecular forces among the molecules of liquids is weak. And finally, the intermolecular forces among the gases is very weak. It almost not existed. We can make a comparison between solid, liquid, and gas according to the property of the molecule. First, the motion in the solid is limited or vibrational motion, and the motion in the liquid state is more free, but the motion in the gas is completely free. And according to intermolecular spaces, the intermolecular spaces in solid state is very small, but the intermolecular spaces among the molecules of liquid is relatively large, and the intermolecular spaces among the molecules of gases is very large. According to intermolecular forces, solids is very strong, or there are intermolecular forces which is very strong in the solid state, and in the liquid state the intermolecular forces is relatively weak, and it is very weak. The intermolecular forces among the molecules of gas is very weak. So we studied three properties of the molecule. First property of the molecules are in a continuous motion. Second property, there are intermolecular spaces among the molecules of matter. Third property of the molecule, there are intermolecular forces among the molecules of matter. Thank you for watching.